These pictures show the moment when Shukaranjan Bali, seen here in the back of the vehicle, was kidnapped in front of the courthouse where he was to testify before the Bangladesh International War Crimes Tribunal. 7 months after the abduction, a British journalist in Bangladesh says he has evidence proving that Bali was kidnapped by Bangladeshi security forces and is currently being held in an Indian prison.
He was taken by police officers to the border of India, and he was dumped in the Indian border and picked up by the border security forces of India. They questioned him. He says in his statement he tried to explain what had happened. They disbelieved him. They apparently did treat him rather badly, and he had to be taken to the hospital.
Bali was a prosecution witness who switched to the defence side in the trial of Delwar Hossain Saidi, a popular Muslim preacher and leader of Jamaat-e-Islami, the third largest political party in opposition. Saidi was accused of committing crimes against humanity during Bangladesh's 1971 War of Independence with Pakistan. Prosecutors accused Saidi of mass killings, rape, arson, looting and forcing minority Hindus to convert to Islam. The defence says security forces kidnapped Bali because he compromised the state prosecution case against the Jamaat-e-Islami leader. The prosecutor says Saidi killed Bali's brother. But that's an allegation Bali's lawyer says his client denies vehemently.
Shukaranjan Bali is a very, very important witness for Delwar Hossain Saidi. He has not been allowed to come to the court and depose that my brother was killed, not by Delwar Hossain Saidi.
Law enforcement agencies deny any involvement in Bali's abduction. After the kidnapping, the defence filed a complaint, but the prosecution said no abduction occurred despite eyewitnesses to the event. The judge ordered no further investigation. In February, Saidi was sentenced to death, and the verdict sparked countrywide protests that left hundreds of people dead and thousands more injured. The defence says the trial is politically rigged to weaken the opposition. It's sure to create further mistrust in the tribunal, whose integrity is already being questioned by human rights organisations and an increasingly angry opposition. Dominic Kane, Al Jazeera.